For writing today, we are writing about our reading assignment. So, as usual, make sure you've done your reading assignment first. So, after you've listened to Inch by Inch by Leo Lionni and read How Long Is It by Donna Logram, you are going to write about what you noticed, something you found interesting in the book, what you wondered, a question that you had either before, during, or after reading, and a connection that you made to the book. So, what the book reminded you of. Make sure to use sentence starters so that you have a complete sentence and have a capital and a period at the end of your sentence, or for the question, a capital and a question mark. Your sentence starters can be I notice, I wonder, this book reminds me of. When you're done, check your work, make sure it's your best, then press the X and the blue turn in button.